Right, so you got a spreadsheet and it's got multiple pages all the same, and you want them all the same format. You know, you spend a bit of time sort of tidying up this. How do you quickly get that format onto every sheet without going through one sheet at a time? I discovered this tip courtesy of Michael from Excel Bytes, so I'm going to talk you through it now. If you're not already a subscriber, make sure you subscribe to Excel Bytes. Some great tips on there from Michael. Absolutely tons of videos too. So what's the deal here? Right, so essentially he's got a spreadsheet. It's 4 sheets in it. Doesn't really matter. It's probably going to be like 12 or something, one for every month. And you're going to have these standard reports. And he basically highlights that you can basically, once you've got this here, you've got a really simple tip. So essentially,
first one you want, hold down your shift key, select the last one, and it will group all the worksheets, and you can see up in the top bar.
So essentially, yeah, what are you going to do? Shift and highlight the final worksheet, and again you get group up there. And then, right, all you're going to do is highlight that area there and hit fill across worksheets formats. Okay, and now look at that. Look at that. It's even got the number formats and everything. If I then say, I don't know, let's just say actually, I'm going to change that to, just to illustrate it, yellow and red headers. Again, shift, highlight all the sheets, fill, cross worksheets, formats. Okay. Again, all there. Look at that. What a brilliant little tip. So go across to this video here. Mike, he goes through other options and things like that. But yeah, essentially, thank you, Michael. Great tip. New learning for me. Hope you got something out of that. See you soon.